exploring the legacy of Pontiac automobiles, a journey through history. Pontiac, or formerly known as the Pontiac Motor Division of General Motors, holds a treasured place in the annals of American automotive history. As an American automobile brand, Pontiac was owned, manufactured, and commercialized by General Motors. Originally introduced as a companion make for GM's more luxurious Oakland automobiles, Pontiac soon surpassed its counterpart in popularity and completely replaced Oakland by 1933, firmly establishing itself as one of GM's dominant divisions. Sold in the United States, Canada, and Mexico, Pontiac became synonymous with affordable and practical transportation, with a notable emphasis on performance. But have you ever wondered about the origin of its name? It is derived from the legendary Odawa chieftain Pontiac, who led an indigenous uprising around the city of Detroit from 1763 to 1766. Within the hierarchy of GM's 5 divisions, Pontiac held a prestigious position, situating itself above Chevrolet but below Oldsmobile, Buick, and Cadillac. However, it was the 1959 models that truly transformed Pontiac's marketing strategy. Instead of solely promoting the vehicles themselves, the focus shifted to selling a lifestyle and the promise of excitement. Pontiac became renowned for its wide-track design, proudly positioning itself as the performance division of General Motors, with the captivating tagline, "We build excitement." Throughout its existence, Pontiac has delighted car enthusiasts with a wide range of models, including the legendary GTO, Firebird, Trans Am, and Grand Prix, all cherished for their exceptional performance and distinctive styling. The Pontiac GTO, for instance, emerged in the 1960s as the pioneer of the muscle car era. With its powerful engine and aggressive design, it became an icon of American automotive culture. Sadly, financial challenges and the need for corporate restructuring prompted General Motors to announce in the midst of the 2008 financial crash that the Pontiac brand would be discontinued by the end of 2010. The final Pontiac-badged cars rolled off the assembly line in December 29, with the last one being a white G6 assembled in January 2010. The franchise agreements for Pontiac dealers expired on October 31st in 2010, leaving GM to focus on its remaining North American brands, Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, and GMC. Despite its discontinuation, the legacy of Pontiac continues to captivate fans and collectors worldwide. Its impact on the automotive industry, especially in terms of performance and style innovations, remains indelible. Today, enthusiasts cherish Pontiac models as treasured classics, a testament to the enduring passion this iconic American brand instilled in generations of car lovers. So let's embark on a thrilling journey through the history of Pontiac, celebrating its extraordinary creations, unrivaled performance, and the everlasting imprint it has left on the world of automobiles. Join us as we dive deep into the stories and technical aspects driving the legacy of Pontiac and explore the extraordinary allure of these iconic cars, built to ignite excitement on every road they tread.